the bird? I thought you were going to throw that on the street.
We're going to put him in the garden.
Oh, exactly. I'm going to put him in one of those little stuck jars with a headline animal.
I don't think we can do
Next to
that.
the crickets and stuff.
We can, we'll just put him in the garden, but I've got a nice little nest we can put him in and give him a worm or something.
Because the bird was on museum property, going up the ramp, you know?
Yeah.
So, he almost got into the museum. He was close to the front door.
Maybe he just likes your grandson.
What?
Maybe he just likes your grandson. We're almost there.
Well, you can do a video.
Yeah.
Do you have a video?
Mm-hmm.
Do you work here too?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, sorry, I
I'll
should
get
have
a
shown
little
you
nest, okay?
my ID. I'm not just a rando.
No, this is a great idea. Sure.
Look at your beautiful bird.
He's a cute boy.
And you're being so good and gentle with him. Gentle, gentle.
Look at this. How sweet. Look, yeah, nest. Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh my God!
Oh, he's all right.
Holy
That's
moly.
good.
I can't believe it. Look, he's over there.
Fly out now.
Look, he's over there.
Oh,
Look,
no.
look, look. You don't know why.